These are important things for you to know while watching judo. This match is about to be a hickey-wacky.
This match is gonna be a hickey-wacky.
You know what that means, Snoop?
After all the work, the match ended in a tie, which is crazy. Seems to me if this sport was called, like, judo, you ended with a penalty kick, right?
So you suggesting that at the end of it, if it ends in a hickey-wacky, they both gotta stand there and take a penalty kick from each other. And whoever's penalty kick landed the hardest, then that's the win.
Yeah, kickoff. You open your chest up like this and let Cuz kick you square in your motherfucking chest with the bottom of his heels.
Woo.
And if you stand there, you move on. If not, get out.
What kick, though? Are you talking about that door opener? Not the one, like, from forward chest. What kick you talking about?
Game of Death, Bruce Lee. When he walked up the stairs and Kareem hit his ass with this motherfucker right
that
there.
right there. You're not gonna make it out of that. Snoop, you ever kick anybody like that?
You're motherfucking right.
Ooh.
Kev, when you were swimming in high school, was you ever in an event like that?
Yeah, you know, that's called the 400-meter IM.
What does IM stand for?
Well, short for individual medley. That's swimmer's talk. You probably wouldn't know about it.
I wouldn't know nothing about it.
Well, that was actually my prime. My prime was a 100-meter individual medley. And
okay,
boy, let
you
me tell
excited as a motherfucker about it, too.
I was something to watch.
That's right. You got any footage of this shit?
Yeah, well, you're not gonna get, y'all, no.
I'd love to see you in some Speedos swimming up and down the meat, getting yours on.
True story about me and Speedos, because I swam, for a swim team, we were all comfortable with the Speedo situation. It's just what you wore. It's swim trunks,
That's
right?
what we do.
So high school trip, I remember we all had like a little pool party, and I came out in Speedos, and it did not go the way that I thought it would, boy. They thought I had panties on out there. They said, what you doing, Kev? What you mean what I'm doing?
You hadn't reached your prime
Yeah,
yet.
no. It was cold that morning, too.
You know what I like about the Olympics? It's how they always changing it up. Make a slight change, you change the whole game. Like basketball, add 3x3, it's a whole different game.
Complete different game.
Volleyball, add a beach volleyball.
Oh my God.
Tennis, add a table tennis. You see me working?
I see you working, kid, stay in there.
Boxing, turn up the heat. Hot boxing.
Yo, I'm not really sure how that one works. So
It's
maybe
recreational, Kev. And every time I do get wrecked.
Okay, all right. I'm picking up what you're laying down. What you're saying is you basically add a word, you change the sport.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, okay, like this. So you got mountain biking. Mountain dew biking.
Now we got sponsors.
All right, deadlifting, dead body lifting, right?
That's a little dark, but it's a team sport.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Shooting, right?
That's a white man sport.
No. Shooting dice.
Now that's for the community.
Hello.